The next question that we are going to address is whether you should go for triple ITs versus NITs. It actually depends upon which branch you are being offered. If we talk about CSE being offered in a triple IT versus any other lower branch being offered in an NIT, I'd say go for a triple IT. And specifically triple ITs like Hyderabad, Allahabad, Delhi, they are very good, and you should, if given a chance, go for prefer them over any other lower NIT. Now, Triple IT Hyderabad Computer Science Engineering versus IIT CSE. So, guys, this is a very confusing question, especially to those who are actually getting a seat in both the positions. So, guys, Triple IT Hyderabad is in league with IIT Bombay, with IIT Delhi, with their computer science curriculum. Not just the curriculum, even when it comes to placement statistics, for the research statistics, they are neck to neck. I'd rather go to the extent of saying that Triple IT Hyderabad has an advantage here. Why? Because it is housed in the financial district of Hyderabad, where all these major tech giants have their headquarters, or they're at least their prime research research locations there. So I'd say if you're offered a chance in both, Triple IT Hyderabad is the place to be if you want to grow in the computer science field itself. But yes, IITs do offer a better overall growth because of the various clubs that are present in IITs, the various other non-curricular opportunity that it offers. So if you want to stick to your computer science engineering field offered in both, go for Triple IT Hyderabad. If you want a bit overall development, you want to lay emphasis there more, then go for IITs में computer science engineering. Next, new IITs में if you're offered computer science versus any old IIT में older branch, lower branches. So this is a very common problem or dilemma that comes, that because of the ranking that you're getting, you are probably getting let's say mechanical or chemical or civil in older IITs, but at the same time you're able to get computer science in new IITs. So what should you prefer? Now the question is, when you say new IITs, what do you mean? If we talk about the IITs that are established after 2007, okay, if the IITs are established after 2007, then I feel you should go for these IITs may computer science after 2007, but let's say the time of establishment is less than 2015 to 2007. Why 2015 to 2007? It was 2006-7 where the newer set of IITs started coming into the picture, right? And after 2015, the IITs would be very new to have established a full-fledged campus, to have established a full-fledged curriculum. So if you find a computer science seat and you want to go for computer science in this range, 2006 to 2015 is the year of establishment, then I'll say please go for that in comparison to older IIT mein lower branches. Now, why? The reason is, when we talk about mechanical and chemical, guys, these branches, they do offer good placements, but in the core fields, the growth is relatively slower. Your experience is valued in core fields, but 10 years, 15 years down the line, immediate growth after your career starts is slower. It's much faster paced in a computer science engineering background. Okay, so that is why I'm saying go for computer science with relatively new IITs. Now, new NIT CSE versus old NIT में lower branch. So similar comparison that we did earlier, that if you are getting a position in NITs that have at least started 5 to 6 years ago, you can definitely go for computer science in them. They would have had a decent established campus, a decent established curriculum, a decent set of alumni would have passed already or would be just passing at least. So you can go for these new NITs में CSE if CSE is your really prime choice कि नहीं CSE ही चाहिए, then just avoid anything that got established after 2015 and you can go for it. Now, let's say from your JEE advanced ranking, you are being offered a computer science seat in a new IIT. Again, when I say new IIT, I mean anything that is established in this time period. And in an old versus JEE mains ke through, you got seat in an old NIT CS. When I say old NIT, we basically mean Trichy, Calicut, Warangal, Surathkal, Hyderabad, Rourkela, these. Now, what to do? It's a very tough call here. frankly if we talk about curriculum perspective, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या क्या points आपको ध्यान रखने चाहिए. One is curriculum. So curriculum perspective wise, both will be comparable. In this time bracket, if IIT would have said, they would have set up a good curriculum by now, a stable curriculum by now. So by that matrix, both are fine. If we talk about the brand name, right? If we talk about the brand name, definitely IIT brand name wins over NIT brand name any day. And if we talk about the overall exposure, because we are talking about old NITs would have already have set clubs, have set activities. So exposure in terms of growth or, building upon the activities that are already there is great. But in relatively newer IITs, the procedure of setting up these extracurricular activities is still going on, or would be still going on, wouldn't have become stabilized. So their setting up exposure is higher, that you get a chance to, be a part of things that are setting up or are being set up. So उस type का exposure ज़्यादा मिलता है. So I don't think I can make a clear-cut call here or a clear-cut view here that what should you do, new IIT versus old NIT. I'd say you can also then go for its location, that where is the college located, the new IIT or the old NIT, what you're being offered, and perhaps based on that you can take a call. Next, tier 1 branch in old NITs versus tier 2-3 branch in IITs. So now we are not comparing computer science particularly, we are also talking about electronics. And when we say tier 2-3, we are talking right from mechanical all the way up to metallurgy. So what should you do in both the two comparisons? My personal opinion here is go for IITs, but keep in mind that tier 2, tier 3 are core branches. You will need much more effort if you want to grow in your core branch after placements. If you want to diversify to banking or other financial sectors, then that's perfectly fine. They will provide you a much better opportunity in IITs in comparison to NITs. Tier 2 branch in IIT versus CSE at tier 1 NITs. So this is also a very common dilemma, very cut to cut call, kya karna chahiye, kya nahi. So people who are hardwired ki nahi, I want to do computer science only, go ahead with this, absolutely no problem, perfect choice. But if you're not too ardent or too, focused towards ki computer science nahi bhi mila to chalega, something else is also okay, then I'll say go for IITs because they will provide much better exposure there in terms of your overall growth. And yes, the brand name IIT always is preferred over the brand name NIT. So that was it, guys. These were some few FAQ questions that we wanted to cover. In case you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the comment section. And thank you so much for joining us.